Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to send an SMS. In this video, we will start on the diary screen. Please note, as an alternative, that an SMS can be sent from the data screen as well as the account details screen. From the diary screen, click on a desired patient's booking. The diary sidebar will open. Click on the SMS button. The SMS workflow event screen will open. We will now go over the various fields and buttons within the SMS workflow event screen. Click on the SMS drop-down menu to display all pre-set up SMS templates. For more information in setting up SMS templates, please refer to the workflow event template setup SMS template user manual linked in this video's description. Select the applicable template from the list. Please note that the patient's contact number will be automatically filled in through the use of placeholders within the template. Alternatively, the user can either click on a contact number drop-down menu to select the applicable data of patient from the list or manually fill in the contact number. The Send Now checkbox will be ticked by default, which will indicate that the SMS will be sent immediately once the send button is clicked. Untick the Send Now checkbox for additional options. The send date refers to the date when the SMS will be sent. Click on a send field date to open the calendar and select the applicable date. Alternatively, the user can click on a Today button to select today's date. Send time refers to the time of the day the SMS will be sent. Click on a Send Time field to select the applicable time to send out the SMS. Otherwise, click on the Now button. Click on the SMS text field to complete the body of text that will be sent if the user did not select an SMS template. Click on a Close button to exit the diary screen without sending the SMS. An attention pop-up will appear stating that the user has unsaved changes. Click on the Cancel button to return to the SMS workflow event screen. Click on the OK button to cancel sending the SMS and exit to the diary screen. Click on the Send button to send the SMS to the patient.